Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about GK and GS one-liner questions of SSC CGL as well as CPO and CHSL for 12th standard. This is as well as useful for the CDS, Military Nursing Services, NDA, CRPF, all the 12th and above examinations. They are very useful for all examinations. Please have a look. They are very useful for every competitive examinations. And they were compiled from the various sources, various previous papers. So don't neglect these papers. They may repeat because they are static GK. So let us start what we have initially. The Buddhist literary works were generally in, we should remember that whatever the Buddhist literary works as well as the speechings, they were written in the form of Pali language. This is one thing you have to remember. The Pali language, that means Buddhist literary work. Ashokan inscriptions were first deciphered by James Prinsep. Please remember, guys, he is the guy, as you can see to the right side of this slide, how exactly James Prinsep had deciphered the Ashokan inscriptions, whatever rock edicts have been found. The ecosystem in which maximum organic matter produced, that is temperate deciduous forest. This temperate deciduous forest, this is one type of ecosystem in which organic matter produced. As per Greek accounts, the discovery of the monsoons is attributed to Hippolytus. So, who made this discovery of monsoons? The guy, that is Hippolytus. Next we have the planet with the shortest day. Please remember, guys, the shortest day, that is in the case of Mercury, that has got the shortest day, which fastest movement, as you can see, it is a smaller one, as well as the fastest rotation happens in this. So this is the smallest as well as shortest day exists on this planet. The recent way of food preservation technologies. As you can see, there are various ways of food preservation technologies. Among them, the food irradiation is the one process in which the food preservation takes place. The national income of India is estimated by, we knew that Central Statistical Organization, whatever has been given, this main motto of the Central Statistical Organization is to have the accountability of the national income of India. This is estimated by Central Statistical Organization. The first Indian to suggest that the earth rotates on its own axis was, as you can see how exactly the Ptolemy has given the geocentric theory and the Copernicus has formulated heliocentric theory. In this case, the Varahamitra initially first Indian to suggest that the earth rotates on its own axis. He had found that the rotation of earth take place from the west to east. That is the reason we get the sun rises from the east to west. Please remember, this rotation takes place from west to east. What is the inclination of the earth? That is 23.5 degrees inclined to. The next we have the Arabian Sea is connected to the Persian Gulf by the Hormuz Strait. As you can see how exactly Strait of Hormuz has been divided between the Arabian as well as Persian Gulf. So this is the main strait between these two. The net domestic product means gross domestic product. So we knew that whatever the net domestic product, that means that is GDP. Exactly, the depreciation of assets is the right answer. In 1919, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy has taken place. Please remember, guys, even in Jallianwala Bagh 1919, in the month of April, that is on 13th, has been taken place due to the general dire. The non-cooperation movement, it was happened in 1920. The civil disobedience movement, that is in 1930. We should remember that. Quit India, that is 1942. So these are all few important modern history things. I request you guys to have a playlist and you can join on Telegram Defense ICTA, where you will find maximum photographs as well as maximum information in this. You can just have a look whenever you feel like we have to go through. You have near about 800 plus question papers for the various examinations. Have a look in the playlist. That is the reason I give in every slide. As you can see how exactly it has been segregated. Army, Navy, Air Force. So various examinations have been given. Don't miss anything. You better go through all those playlist because they are all different questions. Next we have Ajanta caves were made under the reign of Vakataka. So whatever the Ajanta and Ellora, they are located in which place? They are located in Aurangabad in Maharashtra. So these caves were made under the reign of Vakatakas. The maximum setback to poultry industry has been affected due to the Ranikhet disease. As you can see how exactly that Bhimari or disease, that is Newcastle disease, with the solution has come. So overall this is also known as Newcastle disease or Ranikhet disease, which is badly affected for the industry of poultry. Poultry means we have this chicken and all. Banabhatta, we knew that he was a great poet. Kadambari and Harshacharita had been written by Banabhatta. So this is one thing important. Harshacharita as well as Kadambari has been written by Banabhatta. He was the contemporary during the time of Harshvardhana. That is the reason he had written the biography of Harshvardhana, that is Harshacharita. We have the first important exponent of the Nyaya system of philosophy was Gautama. So the first important exponent of the Nyaya system of philosophy was, that is Gautama. Here we have the state that produces the largest quantity of wheat. In Uttar Pradesh, they have got the maximum producer of wheat as well as sugar cane. We should remember that UP is famous for the population. More population exists in UP as well as that is meat producing state as well, and where you will find this maximum wheat and sugar cane. Dual pricing. What exactly the meaning of dual pricing? The price fixed by the government and price in open market. That is dual pricing. The largest share in our imports is from which place? Whatever the share of our imports from the European community during the ancient to now. The industry most closely approximates the perfectly competitive model is, we knew that automobile industry is the emerging industry where we have the perfect competitive model takes place. Next we have major earthquake takes place in India in the 1919. Please remember, whatever the earthquake takes place in India, so that major earthquake which was taken place in the Chamoli in the year of 1919. The author of the Wings of the Fire. Please remember, APJ Abdul Kalam has written two books. One is Ignited Minds, another is Wings of Fire. These are the two books have been written by Abdul Kalam. The one associated with the Microsoft, we should remember that Bill Gates is the guy who had created whatever the after Y2K, that is 2000, he had prepared the Microsoft as well, that is Bill Gates. Indian National Army is also known as Azad Hind Fauj. As you can see how exactly Azad Hind Fauj fought in the Second World War against whom? That is against Great Britain in the Second World War. But who had formulated this? That is Subhash Chandra Bose had formulated this. You can see how exactly he formulated women as well as men entry in the Azad Hind Fauj. The Supreme Court is empowered to settle the election disputes of president as well as vice president. This is its miscellaneous jurisdiction. So who has the empowerment to settle the election disputes of president and vice president? That is Supreme Court. The headquarters of the International Monetary Fund, which is also known as IMF, which is located in which place? It is located in Washington DC. As you should remember that United Nations Organization's headquarters is located in New York in the month of October 24th, 1945. It has been formed. Please remember guys, whatever the United Nations, you have to go through them. Please have a look. The provisional president of the Constituent Assembly. We should remember that the chairman of the Constituent Assembly during the time of formation was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. During that time, there was a provisional president of the Constituent Assembly. He was Sachidanand Sinha. So please remember, it was a maiden actually. So that has been given in the options. So you have to remember Sachidanand Sinha, how exactly he looks like to the right side of this picture. The chairman of the Finance Commission Assembly was, obviously, Finance Commission Assembly's chairman is the president. The Council of Ministers, we should remember that the Council of Ministers is the name given for the Rajya Sabha. In a state, is collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly, but it is asked in a state. So, in a state, is collectively responsible for what? Legislative Assembly. The Article 74 and 75 of Indian Constitution that deals with the matters of a Council of Ministers. So whatever the article has been given, 74 and 75, that deals with the Constitution, deal with the matters of Council of Ministers, that is Rajya Sabha. The chairman of drafting committee of the Indian Constitution was, I already discussed, during the time of provisional head, that is Sachidanand Sinha. During that time, here again they are asking the same thing. Chairman of drafting committee, that is Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. The fourth estate, as you can see, now we have the Times of India, The Hindu. These are all few editions of the newspapers. But here they asked as what exactly the fourth estate, that is, as you can see, the newspaper. So during that time, the fourth estate was present. This is one thing you have to remember. Next we have the Rajya Sabha being a permanent house. 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years. This is one thing you have to remember. The tenure of the members, that is for the 6 years, but every 1/3 of its members will retire after every 2 years. So they will be having every 2 years shift, 2 years gap, they will be shifting 1/3 new members. Here as you can see, the Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and is not subject to dissolution. So it has no dissolution at all. It's a permanent nature. But as nearly as possible, 1/3 of its members retire every second year and an equal number of members are elected to replace them. So they are replaced by the new people. In which state does the government nominate women to the assembly? That is, as you can see, Jammu and Kashmir had initiated, they nominated the women to the assembly. A proceeding under Article 226 in case of detention of a person is a judicial proceeding. So what exactly the Article 226 deals? That is, the detection of a person is a judicial proceeding. Next we have the fundamental rights granted to the Indian citizens can be suspended. Obviously, during the time of emergency, whatever the fundamental rights of the human can be suspended. This is the reason during the time of lockdown as well, your fundamental rights, right to liberty, has been stopped. Even during the time of war, that will be deducted, even with the help with the natural calamity, tsunami and all, where you will find the scarcity of food. At that moment also, the fundamental rights be cut off. So you have no right to raise your voice during the time of emergency. So these fundamental rights can be suspended, whatever the charges may be imposed. Even for the defense personnel, whoever are in defense, they don't have any kind of fundamental rights. So this is one thing you have to remember prior joining in defense forces. All the people take the sign from these people, whoever get recruitment in the defense forces. These fundamental rights be deducted. Hope you are enjoying this video. The joint session of both the houses of parliament is summoned by, that is, president. Here whatever the joint session of the both houses of parliament is summoned by president, but who chairs Rajya Sabha as well as Lok Sabha, who will be chaired? That is, vice president will be chaired. In this case, summoned by the president. In a federal government, the states enjoy powers given by the constitution. What exactly? Here in the federal government, the states enjoy powers given by the constitution. The first Bhakti movement was organized by, we should remember, there are various movements. Arya Samaj, in this case, Bhakti movement was organized by the Ramanujacharya. You see how exactly Ramanujacharya looks like, who had initiated Bhakti movement. These are the few slides I had prepared for the examination, guys. We are not asking for money. Whoever is watching this, please have a look. I request you guys to share it to your friends, and I request you guys to spread maximum. We are not asking for any money. If you feel that we have to donate something, once you get selected, not before to that, you have a great downloading offline or online, whatever you do it. But I request you guys to have a look in it. Please consider this. Please consider my effort and donate me if you get selected, and spread this channel to maximum people. I'll be doing this for the you guys. My whole life will be dedicated for you as well as for the poor people. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.